Kelly Jones.
Members of the board, thanks for hearing the people that have come before you over the past months and understanding that we have a crisis of loosely regulated, hard to enforce custody evaluator situation that's affecting hundreds of families, obviously, across Texas. I think you said you have 307 cases still open, and that went down from 388 cases. This is a First Amendment issue, the issue of shortening or putting parameters around when a parent can file a grievance. We have the right to redress our government, and I have great concerns generally about you creating, I hear that you hear us, and that's really, really valuable and important to us. What I don't hear is that you're involving the people who have been victimized by this process or who might be victimized by this process in the creation of this citizen understanding of how you're going to operate, right? This website via FAQ, whatever it is. I would propose to you all that you incept a citizens task force to advise you. That includes people who have come together. In the case of Alissa Sherry, I believe it's something like 17 complaints total, 7 still open. This woman is still affecting people, and you have not resolved this issue. And I don't know if you know who I am. I'm Kelly Jones. My ex-husband is Alex Jones of Infowars.com. And I've been in litigation for over 6 years. I have no diagnosis, but my ex-husband had one, and I have repeatedly lost my children in court due to unscrupulous actions and negligence and bias and referral confirmatory bias among these professionals. That my case is a public issue, and the issue before you is a public issue. And I am grateful for you that you're addressing it. I'm concerned when you propose these rules and you discuss it amongst yourself, when I ask for clarity, that the people that it's going to affect don't have a copy of what you're even discussing. I don't know what rule, whatever it was that you were bringing up is. I can't look at it. I believe that's an open access, open meeting issue, probably has some statute to it that I cannot research right now. But I urge you at this juncture to pause your meeting and to provide everybody a copy of what you're discussing, and to move forward in so doing. In the future, I know there's a Texas Register, but that did not provide me what you're discussing that you're going to propose. I don't understand the legal machination of having counsel propose to whoever it is who's going to propose. I don't understand why you didn't need to motion to do this. So it's our right as citizens of the United States of America and of the state of Texas to have an understanding of what is being proposed by our government or the agencies that are regulating people that are incepted by our government, okay?
Thank you.
I'm going to finish because I'm sorry. Just
We'll
give me 30 more seconds. With regards to the out-of-state people and it's not enforceable, whatever, you cannot generate legislation that is not enforceable. You cannot laugh, it's not that many people that are going to be affected. If one child or one mother or father is affected by an unscrupulous out-of-state actor, which in my case I've had many come in, many. Why are these out-of-state people even coming in? And their licenses are overseen or supervised by other people who have been in the case or whatever it is. Y'all need to be on top of that. Do not accept rules or revisit that rule that you passed just now that you can't even enforce, where these people are not, you don't even have a way, if they're out of line with your rules, to discipline them. That's absurd. Please do not put a limit on people on the time to grieve their government. That is unconstitutional. Please do not put parameters around that. Almost 6 years of litigation I've been in. I think Rhonda said something like it. Years and years of litigation. You cannot, this is all unconstitutional. You are responsible. You're responsible for the length of time it takes for you to discipline people and to revoke their licenses. You're responsible for those 7 Alissa Sherry complaints that are ongoing, and it's up to you to act according to the Constitution to take care of this and to provide complete transparency in all proposed legislation, and especially when you're sitting here talking about stuff that we can't even understand. It's not in the minutes. It's also your responsibility to record minutes of these meetings in a permanent form on the record so that you can hear and people can reference what other parents have put themselves in peril to come and say before you. Thank you very much for your time.